Britain has won its first gold medal at the Winter Olympics in South Korea. Menna Fitzpatrick and her guide Jen Kehoe took the women's visually impaired slalom crown on the final day of the Games, as Kate Gray now reports.
It was the golden moment they'd been waiting for. Menna Fitzpatrick and her guide Jen Kehoe saved their best till last to win gold in the slalom on the final day of these Games. The pair were in silver medal position going into their second run and displayed a perfect performance. The time was unbeatable.
She's in front!
Their fourth medal here in Pyeongchang to become Britain's most successful Winter Paralympians.
We're running on a bit of adrenaline at the moment because this first bronze was just an incredible achievement to finish that race and win a medal, and then to finish on a gold medal and put in one of our strongest performances this week is beyond words. It hasn't sunk in, and I think probably won't until we get back to the UK and are back in our own beds and have a lion.
There was further success as Millie Knight and her guide Brett Wild managed to sneak the bronze in that same race, which means Paralympics GB have reached their target of 7 medals, but all dependent on one sport, one classification and a small number of athletes.
We came into these games with clear potential on both snow and ice. The wheelchair curlers have had a tough week, but I think from my perspective as chef de mission, I'm proud of every single one of the 17 athletes that came here to Pyeongchang to represent Paralympics GB. Yes, the medals came from snow, but every one of those athletes did give it their all.
So the Brits have had plenty to cheer about, and with more nations taking part than ever before and a record number of tickets sold, the International Paralympic Committee can also celebrate, claiming these Games to be the greatest Winter Paralympics to date. Kate Gray, BBC News, Pyeongchang.